Good morning, sir, and my fellow batchmates. Myself, Sia Jain from Vishwakarma University, Pune, in the Department of Commerce and Management. Today, I am going to present a presentation on the topic stake in data structure and algorithm. Firstly, we introduced what is stake. Let's start the introduction. A stake is a non-primitive linear data structure. It is an ordered list in which addition of new data items and deletion of already existing data items done from only one end known as top of the stake. Let's the third point begins. As all the deletion and insertion in a stake is done from top of the stake, the last added element will be the first to be removed from the stake. That is the reason why stake is also called as last in first out LIFO type of list. Stake is a data structure in which data is added and removed at only one end called the top. Thus, the last element that is pushed into the stake is the first element to be popped out the stake, just like LIFO. There are some examples. First example, like a common model of a stake is plate in a marriage party. Fresh plates are pushed onto to the top and popped off the top. And the second example will be there. Some of you may eat biscuits if you assume only one side of the cover is open and biscuits are taken off one by one from one side. Next slides will be there. Whenever a stake is created, the stake base remains fixed. As a new element is added to the stake from the top goes on increasing. Conversely, as the topmost element of the stake is removed, the stake top is decrementing. Show the next slide figure to various stages of stake top during insertion and deletion. There are some operation on stakes. The basic operation that can be performed on stake are as follow. First operation will be there, push operation. The process of adding a new element to the top of the stake is called push operation. When new element will be inserted at the top, after every push operation that top is incremented by 1. In case the array is full and no new element can be allowed, it is called stake full condition. This condition is also called as stake overflow condition. As you look in the diagram, push operation in stack, there are some element will be inserted in the top of the stake and go to the top of the stake. Second, pop operation. The process of deleting an element from the top of stake is called pop operation. After every pop operation, the stake is decremented by 1. If there is no element on the stake and the pop is performed, then this will be result into the stake underflow condition. Max size. This term is not standard one. We use this term to refer the maximum size of stake. Top operation. This term refers to the top stake TOS. The stake top is used to check stake overflow or underflow condition. Initially, top stores -1. This is taken so that whenever an element is added to the stake, the top is first incremented and the item is inserted into the location currently indicates by the top. There are some also one operation, peep operation. If one is interested only about an information stored at some location in a stake, then peep operation is required. In short, we can say exec any position information from the stake. Update operation is required when the content of some location in a stake is to be changed. There are some stake terminology. Stake underflow. This is the situation when the stake contains no element. At this point, the top of the stake is present at the bottom of the stake. Second, stake overflow condition. This is the situation when the stake becomes full and no more element can be pushed onto the stake. At this point, the stake top is present at the highest location of the stakes. There are some basic applications on stake. First, there are various applications of stake. First will be recursion. Recursion is an important facility in many programming languages such as Pascal and C, etc. Some machines are also known which use built-in stake hardware called stake machine. representation of Polish notation. And this is all about stake. Thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you, guys.